Okay, so MB1C is the T code to post the stock. And here, what we need to mention. So here we need to maintain our movement type and plant. What is our plant? A100 and our storage location A100. So now I'm trying to post the stock from these plant and storage location, right? Just click on enter. You can see we are getting a new error. So posting only possible in periods 2025 4 and 2025 3 in company code A100. So here, whenever you are going to in a new month, so whenever the date is changed, I mean the new month, the month is changing. So every time you will get these error. Posting only possible in these periods 2025 I mean April and 2025 March. So every new month you will get this error. In real time also you will get each and every new month. In the starting of a new month you will get these error. So you need to learn this, how to solve this. So this is not related to MB1C error, but it is a regular error which we get in every month, right? So for this one, we just go to the T code called MMPV. Okay, so there we need to release.
Soil, I'm not able to see your screen.
Not able to see my screen. Only
No,
you and remaining also.
I'm not sure, but I'm not able to see.
Can anyone reply? Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yeah, for us it's visible only. So
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me leave and let
it's
me
visible.
join
For
then.
me, it's visible only.
Okay, okay. So you can rejoin
Yeah.
again. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So okay. So we need to go to MMPV T code. So each and every new month you need to use this T code. So you need to release that periods. So now here we need to mention our company code. So from and to will be our company code only. And here you need to mention your current period. So fifth period, or you can maintain your physical year, or else you can mention today's date as well. So based on your request, I mean, based on your thing, you can maintain. Either you can maintain period as per your physical year variant. So you have, if you maintain K4, then you need to mention 5. If you maintain V3, then you need to mention second. Okay. So because V3 means May is our second month as per Indian financial year, right? So I'll just maintain today's date. You can maintain anything. Right? So I'm just maintaining today's date. Now just you need to click on enter and just you need to execute it. Then you will get log like this. Company code A100 is converted. That means the periods are converted into this particular month. So we can use SAP overall this month. So whenever you will get into the next month, on sixth month, then you will get again you need to convert this period. So you need to do each and every new month started. Okay, so now this is done. Now we'll get into our MB1C now. So just click on enter. Okay, so I'll just enter the T code again. So after doing changes, you need to run the T code again. So the changes will not applicable sometimes. Sometimes it will applicable automatically. Now we have entered in MB1C. So here we need to mention our material and our quantity and click on enter and save it. Now you can see our stock is posted. So we didn't get any error. So last class only mostly we have solved, right? So now the stock is posted. 10,000 quantity, it is posted. Now we need to check. So how to check the stock? What is the T code to view the stock? MMBE. Sorry, slash and we need to enter. MMBE is a T code to view the stock. Does our stock is posted or not? We just take a confirmation from it. Okay. So what is our material? Dolo, and mention your plant and storage location. So in wherever you have posted the stock, so those details, plant and storage location, you need to maintain the same. So if you maintain another plant which you have not posted in the particular plant, then it will not show. Okay, so just maintain and execute it. then it will show our stock. So whenever the customer will place an order, it will deduct from the stock only. You can say 10,000 quantity, it is updated here. Okay, so this is our storage location, this is a plant, this is a company, right? So completely total available quantity is 10,000. So this is an unrestricted stock. So whenever the customer place an order, then the quantity will be deduct from this unrestricted stock only. Okay. So this is about stock posting. So you can refer last video for the errors. So I have given all the solutions. So if you find any new error, then you can ping me in the chat in the group. So we can solve in the next class. Okay. So if you find any new error which I have not explained in the class, then we'll connect on the particular day's class and we'll solve that error. Okay. So now the stock is posted, right? So stock post is done. Now the next concept is sales document. So here till now we have created one enterprise structure and one customer we created, one material we have created, right? Now customer is there and material is there. That means we can create order as well. So in order what we required, one customer will be required and one material will be required, right? Then we can able to place an order. So now we'll see how to create an order in SAP and how to create a delivery and how to create an invoice. Okay, so as an SD consultant, we are going to work on order to cash only. Okay, so order, delivery, and invoice only. So whatever we are discussing, that is completely related to this order, delivery, invoices only, right? So whenever the customer will place an order, so what are all the scenarios we are going to see? So those scenarios we need to learn here, and also if they find any error, then how we are going to solve it and what are the fields we are having. So what are the requirements they will get. So all those things we are going to learn. All right. So first we'll see how to create an order. Okay. So let me open. So I have mentioned all the T codes here. So VS01 is the T code to create order and VL01 is the T code to create delivery and VF01 is the T code to create invoice. Okay, so just okay, so here I have maintained here. You can see sales document. So here order, delivery, invoices. So I have mentioned all the T codes here. To create an order, the T code is VA01. To change the order, the T code is VA02. And for display, okay, the T code is VA03. And for delivery, to create the delivery, the T code is VL01N. To change, the T code is VL02N. And for display, the T code is VL03N. This is related to delivery types. And to create an invoice, VF01, and to change the invoice, VF02, and to display or to view the invoice, the T code is VF03. Okay, now while creating sale order and delivery and invoice, and whatever the errors we'll get, so we are going to learn now. So we'll get some errors because we are trying with a new enterprise structure, right? So we need to do complete setup. Okay, so we'll find some errors and we'll see. Okay, so now we'll just create an order. Take it in a new screen. Okay. So what is a T code to create an order? VA01. So this is a screen of sale order creation. You can see create sale order. So here order type we need to give. For order, the order type is OR. So I will explain what is mean by order type in the coming class. Then the next concept. Okay, just maintain. If you want to create an order, the order type you need to mention OR and your sales area you need to mention. Okay. What is our sales area? A100. Okay, and distribution channel A1 and division is A1 and remaining these two is not required. So if you want, you can maintain. So these three is enough. Just click on enter. Okay. And here, this is a screen of creation of order, create standard order. So here we need to mention sold to party. So we already discussed in the partner functions, right? Sold to party means who is placing an order, we call it as a sold to party. Just maintain our sold to party number. So our customer is 5. We have created yesterday, right? And in the previous classes, right? In the customer master, we have created our customer is 5. And here we need to mention our material. So what is our material? dolo, and this customer is placing an order, okay, and the order quantities, for example, 10 quantities. Just click on enter. So you can, so whenever you are creating an order for the first time, you will find this error, no pricing procedure could be determined. So this is our future concept. So pricing is our fourth master data, right? So till we haven't come over in this topic, right? So this is a future error. So if you find this error, you need to follow these steps. Okay, so as of now, you won't understand what is meant by pricing procedure and all, because this is our future concept. So if you find this error, just blindly just follow this setup. Okay. Now, what we need to do first, we need to go to v/08. Go to v/08. So it is logged. Okay, v/08 using some user. Okay, so we just need to remove him. So 72 user 22. So if you find this type of message, then just simply go to SM12 and mention his username. Okay. 72 user 22, I think, right? Okay, so here you can see all these screens are open. You just select all and you just need to delete the screens. So it will not affect on his side, okay? Just we are deleting his history. All right, so now we'll go to v/08. So this is a pricing concept. So just follow as it is. Just go to new entries and just create your own pricing. So A100 I am creating, and here mention description, pricing procedure. This is a future concept. Okay. Just click on enter and just select this and double click on this control. And just go to new entries here. Mention step 10 and condition type PR00. So as of now, you won't understand what is this step, what is this PR00, what is this counter, what is the description, what is this from and so we are having complete concept on this. So there we'll discuss. Just follow the same step if you find this error. Okay. So just after maintaining this, just you need to go to requirement 2 and account key. This one you know to mention ERL. Okay, so we are just maintaining a base price for our material because we haven't maintained price, right? So that's why we get pricing error. So we are just maintaining a price to our material. So I'll just select this. Okay, so it is everything is maintained. Just save it. Okay. Now done. Okay, this is the first step, and the second step, we need to go to another T code OBKK and just go to the position and search for our combination. Okay, A100. So it is not there. Then what we need to do, we just need to go to the new entries and just maintain our sales area. A100, A1 and A1. And here just document pricing procedure maintain A and customer pricing procedure just maintain 1. So as of now, you won't understand what is mean by document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure. This is our future concept. Okay, just mention our pricing procedure, whatever we have created. Right, just now we have created our pricing procedure A100. Just maintain, and whatever the condition type we have assigned, so that one we need to assign. So as of now, you won't understand. So you no need to confuse on this concept. This is completely our future concept. Just follow the same steps. Just maintain whatever the sales area you have created. This so those sales area you need to maintain and remaining all. And whatever the pricing procedure you are going to create, so that you need to mention. And the pricing this is you need to mention PR00 same and document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure 1. So this you need to replicate same. Okay, just save it. So now the third step, we need to go to VK11. So here we'll maintain the condition record, the actual price we are going to maintain here. Then the system will trigger price from this condition records. Okay, this is a future one. Just don't confuse and no need to worry about this concept. Okay, you can just select the material with release status, and this is a condition record. So where we'll give all the logics here. Okay. So what are the price you need to maintain? What are the discounts you need to maintain? Everything will be run on this condition records. Just mention your material and whatever the price you want to trigger. 1,000 rupees for one sheet. 1,000 rupees per one sheet. Okay. So if you maintain one sheet of Dolo, if you purchase, then it will calculate one sheet 1,000 rupees. Okay. Now again, I'll try to create an order. Now we'll see in the order, we can see whatever the price we have maintained. So it will copy automatically in our sales document. Okay. Now I will show you that price is copied into my sale order or not. I will just show you now. So I'll just maintain one quantity first, or we'll take one quantity first, then you will understand. Okay, so what it is, date 1/5 occurs after the end of factory calendar 1 from plant A100. So we are getting an error. So, okay, factory calendar, we haven't learned it, right? So we'll see factory calendar after creation of order delivery invoice. So let me go to SCAP. So this is a factory calendar error. So for this one, we need to go to SCAL. This is a factory calendar. So need to 01. So valid to, they have maintained only 2020 only, but we are in 2025, right? So that's why this is not taking. So we'll just maintain 2025, or you can maintain 9999. It will be 2098 only. Okay. We can maintain 2098. I'm just saving it. So in the factory calendar only, we are going to maintain how it has to calculate, what are the working days, what are the holidays. Okay, so you can see, right? So I will explain about this concept as well. Just as of now, just ignore this. So after this creation of order delivery invoice, I will explain about factory calendar. Then we'll move to the next component. Okay. So now again, I'll try to create an order and we'll see what errors we'll get. /n will be 01. Again, I'll try to create an order and customer and the material, and here we'll mention quantity and click on enter. Then see, now it is taken the data. You can see we have discussed CMIR, right? So when I enter Dolo, system automatically pick our material code 1234. So if you enter 1234, then system automatically pick Dolo over here. You can see. You can mention the quantity to quantity. You can see. Directly it will pick. You can see. You can see it is put, right? So this is about CMIR. So in the CMIR, we have interlinked this material code with this material code, right? So it will show. So either you can enter 1234, either you can enter Dolo. Okay. I'm just deleting this one. Okay. So this is a material and quantity I have maintained. So if you double click on this and if you go to condition tab, so there you will see the price of our material. You can see our PR00 is copied and you can see the system is automatically trigger our price. You can see total net value is also 1,000. So because only one quantity I have maintained, that's why it is showing 1,000 rupees net value. So if you maintain 5 quantity, then it has to show 5,000 rupees. You can see automatically it is showing over here as well. Net value is 5,000. So if you double click on this material, you go to condition tab. So here it will show. Okay. So amount 1,000 for one sheet. So total condition value 5 because the quantity is 5 and 5,000. Okay. So this is how we'll create an order. Just that's it. Okay. And before creating delivery, we just go to scheduler tab here. If you double click on that material, then it will open this item data. So here we need to go to the scheduler tab. So we need to see the delivery date. So this delivery date we need to mention while creating delivery. So if you have not looked into this delivery date and you have randomly given the delivery date, then system will propose error. Okay. So this date, whatever the date we have seeing in the scheduler tab, So the same date you need to mention while creating delivery. Okay. So before saving this order, so we need to check, does our document is completed or not, or any field is missing. So how we need to check? For that, we need to go to edit option here on the top left side. And then if you scroll down the last 2 seconds, incompletion log. If you click on incompletion log, system will propose any mandatory fields are missing or not. So here you can see it is proposing shipping point. So shipping point determination is not done. So system is not picking shipping point. So what is a T code for the shipping point determination? We already discussed, right? Shipping point determination, storage location determination, right? So what is the T code for the shipping point determination? OVL2. Go to OVL2 and here go to position. Just search for our combination. So shipping condition 01 and loading group 0001 and our plan A100. Does our combination there or not? We'll just check. So it is not there. So that's why the shipping point is not copying into a sales document. So we need to go to the new entries and we'll maintain. So the shipping condition will be maintained in our customer master. And this loading group will be maintained in our material master. And the plant is A100, we already know. And then our default shipping point. So the shipping point also we have configured in enterprise structure only. Just click on enter. So how the shipping point will be determining based on this combination. So if the customer is having 01 shipping condition and the material is 0001 and the plant is A100, then system will trigger A100 shipping point. So in interview they will ask how shipping point will be determined. So how shipping point will be determined means based on the shipping condition, loading group and plant. Okay. So these should be maintained in our customer master 01. If there is no 01, then system will again propose the same error. We need to check in the customer master. The 01 is there or not. We need to check in the material master. The loading group is 0001 is maintained or not. Okay. So if it is mismatching, then system will not propose. So whatever it is there in our customer master and material master, that combination should be there in this OVL2 screen. Okay. So I will show you in the customer master as well, where we can see this 01 in the material master, where we can see this 0001. Right. So I will show you the system. So let me take a new screen. So if you go to HD02 and maintain our customer. Okay. And here just give our details, company code and sales area and just click on enter. And if you go to the sales area tab, sales area data tab and shipping tab, so here you can see the shipping condition option. So here 01 is there. So that's why I have created one combination with 01. So if you maintain 10 and with the 10 also you need to mention here the combination 10 and 0001 and A100 A1. That I will show you later. So as of now we have maintained whatever in the customer master it is there, that 01 I have maintained. In the material master, we can see loading group. So if there is 0001 is there, then we will maintain the same 0001. Okay, so I'll just give the details and go to sales org. You can see loading group. What it is maintained 0001. So we need to look into this customer master and material master, and we need to maintain here. Okay, so all the combinations we need to mention in OVL2 shipping point determination. All right. So we need to look into these details. Okay. So this is how the shipping point will be determined into our sales document. Okay. Now again, I'll try to create an order. Again. Because the order is not saved, right? Because we got incompletion log. That means the document is not completed. Right now we'll see again. So I will mention 5 quantity again. Just click on enter. So and just double click on it and directly go to the schedule and tab and check the delivery date. It is confirming on 2nd. Just go back. So go back. Okay, just go back to the normal screen and go to edit and check incompletion log. Does the log is completed or not? You can see here it is proposed the document is completed. That means we need to save it. We can save this. Now order has been saved. So order has been saved. What we need to do now? So we need to copy this order because this order number will be mandatory while creating delivery. Okay, I'm copying this order. Now, what is the T code to create the delivery?
VL01N.
VL01N. Yes. So VL01N. Just click on enter. And here we need to mention our shipping point. That is A100. And here we need to mention our order number. Okay. So I have pasted it. So sometimes system will copy automatically here. If not, you need to go to VA02 and copy that order and you need to paste it. So here you can see selection date. So whatever we saw in the schedule and data, whatever the delivery date we saw, so the same date you need to mention. So if you maintain wrong date, the system will not allow. Okay, now you can see this is one is there, but in the order we have seen second. So I'll try to enter. So it will propose this date, this error. So no schedule line due for delivery date up to the selected date. That means we have maintaining wrong date. So in the order we are having the date is on 2nd May. Right, but while creating delivery, I have maintained first. So that's why it will propose this error. So that's why we need to look into the schedule and time. So whatever the delivery date we saw, so same date we need to mention. So on 2nd May. Now it will allow. You can see this is a you need to mention picked quantity. So whatever the order quantity is there, so and whatever the delivery quantity is there, the same quantity you need to mention as a picked quantity. Okay, so delivery quantity is 5. So we need to pick 5 quantity. So if the stock is available, we'll maintain 5 quantity. If it is not there, only limited is there, whatever the available quantity is there. So that we need to mention the picked quantity now. Now after maintaining picked quantity here, we need to do the PGI. So if you do PGI, then only in the system it will update. So we have delivered this 5 quantity. So because if you go to MB1C screen, yeah. Okay, so if you go to MB1C screen, so we already opened here, right? So I'm just refreshing it. So the available is 10 quantity only. So this is our first 10,000 quantity only, right? So only for the first time I'm creating the delivery now. So if you do directly without doing PGI, if you directly save it in the system, it will not update this 5 quantity. Still it will show 10,000 quantity only. So I'm refreshing it again. The delivery has been created already. You can see, right? So we got the delivery number as well. Delivery created, but those 5 quantity it has to deduct from this 10,000 quantity, right? So I am refreshing it. Still, it is not deducting. Why it is not updating? Means while creating delivery. Okay. So I'm just going to the delivery again. So I'll just go to the change mode of this delivery. Okay. So what is the T code for the change mode? VL02N. Okay. And this is our delivery number. Right, just go to inside of it. You can see directly I have saved it. So that's why in MB1C, sorry, in MMBE it is not updated. So in MMBE it is not updated. You can see still 10,000 only. Now what I'll do, manually I'll do PGI now. Okay. So I'll do PGI. PGI is nothing but post goods issue. So when you do PGI, then only it will update in the system. Okay, so now I'm doing PGI. So PGI is done. Now I'll go to MMBE again. Now I'll refresh it. Now it will update here. You can see that 5 quantities has been deducted from our 10,000 quantity. Now total available quantity is 9,995 quantity. So in interview they will ask, what is the use of PGI? Okay.
Hello.
If you do PGI, then only it will update in the system. So there we are. So now we need to do this PGI. So if you do PGI, so here it will update that 5 quantities. Okay. So here it is. So if you enter in this delivery, you can see after doing PGA only, it will update. Okay, so every time when you try to create delivery, so you need to go to this picking tab and mention pick to quantity, and you need to do the PGA. So you don't need to save. If you do PGA, then the system automatically save this delivery. Okay, now we got this delivery number. Okay, so just copy it. Order I have created, delivery I have created. The next step is invoice we are going to. So what is the T code to create an invoice? VF01. Right, so I have mentioned here in the document. VF01. These are to create. Okay, VF01 is a create T code for invoice, and delivery VF01 in order VF01. So now I will create invoice with the reference of this delivery number. So you can see when I enter in VF01, so system automatically copied what delivery number here. Sometimes it will not copy, but you need to copy while after creating the delivery. Okay, so it is already copied over here. You just need to click on enter here. Okay, you can see. So this is our invoice. Okay, $655, build quantity 5, quantity net value 5,000. You can see like this. You just need to say, you don't need to do anything. Just enter your delivery number and system automatically open that invoice and you need to save it. And you just need to go to the change mode VF02 and you can know the status of your every document. So this is our invoice number, and here you can able to see document flow, display document flow. If you click on this, then it will show your order details, your delivery details. You can see this is our flow. Order I have created, with the reference of order we have created delivery, with the reference of delivery number we have created invoice. These are all the, this is the order number, this is a delivery number, this is the invoice number. So from this screen also you can directly go to the order. So if you want to open order, then you just need to select this and click on display document. Then it will open order document and you can view the details, whatever details you want to know, and you can view it. Okay. And if you just go back, in order also you can able to see display document flow. If you click on here again, the document flow will be open. Delivery, so picking, goods issue in the back end, these process will be working out. So picking request, that means we have picked. So goods will be issued in the back end. Like this, you can view the document flow and you can able to know the statuses as well. Does our status is completed or not? You can see the order is completed. That means there is no errors. Delivery is completed. That is no errors. Invoices, in invoice we are getting error, account determination error. This is our future concept. So as of now, we don't need to solve this one. So this is not required here. So you have created order delivery invoice. So this is an account determination error. So we'll discuss these error in revenue account determination concept. So you need to do the revenue account determination setup. So that means it will take complete 1 hour to do the setup. So we'll discuss this concept in our future class. As of now, you just need to learn how we are going to create order, how we are going to create delivery, and how we are going to create invoice. So because the next classes, in the coming classes, we are going to learn about all these order deliveries invoices only. Okay. So you just need to understand how we are going to create an orders and how we are creating a delivery. So in which field, what I am maintaining. So where I am taking the delivery date from, right? So these details you need to observe and you need to practice. Okay. So till now we have completed our OTC cycle, order to cash, order, delivery, invoice, then the customer will make the payment. That is nothing but cash. Okay. So now we'll see. So this is a sales document, order is a sales document, and delivery is a delivery document, invoice is a invoice document. Okay. You can see display document. This is an invoice document. Okay. And if you go to delivery, this is a delivery document. And same like sale order is nothing but this is a sales document. So the next concept we are going to learn about sales documents. So order is one of the sales documents. We are having more sales documents. We'll discuss what are the sales documents we are having and how we are going to create those documents. So order is one of the document in them. So we are having total 19 documents. So we'll see how we are going to create those 19 documents. So 19 documents is nothing but 19 scenarios which we'll see in our day-to-day life. Okay? So I will explain it later. Before that, we'll just see structure of the sales document. So this is one of the sales document. What is the structure of this? So sales document consists of three types of structures. Okay, one is header data, one is item data, and one is scheduling data. Okay, we have maintained here. You can see structure of sales document. So the sales document structure is header data, item data, and scheduling data. So header data means it will be controlled by sales documents, sales document types. Yeah, I will explain it later. What is the sales document types and all. So if you do some change in the header data, then whatever the materials we have maintained in the particular order. So if you maintain hundreds of materials, then that one change will be applicable to all those 100 materials. You no need to go each and every material and you do the change. If you make one change in the header data, then the change will applicable to all the materials. Okay, that is a header data. Item data means it is a single item data. Okay, so if you want to change only the particular material details, then you need to go to the item data. Then the change will applicable to only the particular material, and remaining other material it will not update. So because it is an item data means only the particular material you are making the change, and the change will applicable to only the particular material. That is a item data. And schedule and data means here we'll control delivery dates. We already see, right? While creating order in the schedule and tab, we have seen delivery dates and confirm quantities and order quantity. We can able to control by using schedule and data. So we'll see where we can see header data, where we can see item data, where we can see schedule and data in the sales document. So you can see this is our sale order. This is our sale order only, right? Standard order. This is our order number. So here, this is a header data. Display document header details. If you click on here, then we'll move into the header data. You can see we are in header data. So whatever the change you will do, the change will applicable to all the line items. Line item is nothing but so these materials. So this is the first line item. The second line item you will mention another material, CIPLA material or PCM material, any material. So hundreds of materials will be there in the real time. So if you want to change one change for all the materials, then you don't do the change for each and every material, right? So it will take a lot of time. Directly you will go to the header data and you do the change. Then automatically it will applicable to all the materials. Okay. That is the header data. So item data means this is an item data. Item is nothing but material only. If you double click on your material, particular material I'm saying, okay, we are in the particular material dolo, and the change you will do here, that will applicable to only for this particular material dolo. You can see we are in item data. So this is an item data. And the third one is schedule and data. So in the item data only we are having schedule and tab. So this is a schedule and data. So here we will control delivery dates and confirm quantity. The stock is confirmed or not. So it is confirmed only, then only we will do the delivery. If it is not confirmed, then we can't able to do delivery. If stock is available, then only it will confirm. Otherwise, it will not confirm. So we can control these delivery dates and all in the schedule and data. This is a structure of a sales document. Right. Right now, we'll see. So we are having some tables. So header data will be whatever the header data we are going to save. So it will save in this table VBAK. Item data will be saved in this VBAP, and schedule and data will be saved in VBEP. So if you are having a order number, so if you want to know the header data, then you will go to VBAK and you will take all the header details of the particular order number. So if you want to know the item data, then go to VBAP and give that order number and you will take all the item data. So if you want to know the schedule and data, you will go to the VBEP table and you will retrieve the schedule and data by giving your sale order number. Okay, I will show you how we are going to give. So what is the T code? So I'll just copy our order number this. So what is the T code for the tables? SE16N. So here we'll run all those tables. Okay. Now here I want to know the header data of the particular order. Okay, VBAK is a table for header data. So now go to VBAK and click on enter. So now we are in this VBAK table. You just give your sales document number, order number. Okay, now you just need to execute. That's it. And double click on your sales document. So it will give all the header data detail. So you can retrieve. So net value, INR, what is the sales area here? You can see sales group, sales office. So all this data document is created on which date, requested delivery date. So every header data you can take. Okay. So like this. So if you want to know, so whatever the fields we are having in VBAK, so you can give those details and you can retrieve the data. So here I have given only the sales document scenario, but you are having, if you want to know the order numbers which is created on today, then you can create it on, you just give the today's date and you can able to see what are the orders you have created today. Execute, then you will get only, you can see these many orders are created in the system. These are all the order numbers. So it is created by, you can see, these are all the users. So this user has been created this order, this user has been created this order, right? So ours is this, I think, this one. So this one. So ours is this one. 72 user 45 is mine server. Okay, my server it is. Okay, so I have created this order. Okay, so this order is created by this user. So I don't know. So who is it? Okay, so we can see his sales organization is something PQRL P1 something like that. So he's a different user. He's a different user. So you can take. So if you want to know only your sales area orders, then what you need to do? You just give your sales area. You can see. So here we can't find the sales area. I think here it is. You can see sales are give A100 and A1 and division A1 and execute. Then it will show your orders only, particular your sales area order numbers. So you can retrieve the data like this. Okay. And also same like if you want to know the item data. So what is the table for item data? VBAP. You just go to VBAP. VBAP. Click on enter. So this is a sales document item data. You can see the description. So here we'll find item data. So you just need to give the sales document number or material number. You can give anything. So I'm just giving a sale order number and execute it. And you will find item data of this order. Just double click on it. You can see item data. The item data means complete material details. Okay. So like this, you will get. You can see what is our materials and all. If you scroll down, you'll see one sheet and all. So everything will be shown item data, complete item data we can able to see. Here you can see material number. So in the what is a item number? Okay, you can see what is an item category, description also. So complete it is related to the item. Item is nothing but material. Okay. So same like you want to know the delivery date. So you just forgot the delivery date. So what you need to do, you just go to VBEP. It is related to the schedule and data. You just give the order number, you will get the delivery date. And you will maintain while creating the delivery. You can see this is our schedule and data. If you double click on it, you will find the delivery date. You can see second delivery dates. You can give the schedule and date and you can create delivery. Okay. So like this, you can retrieve the data by using this table. So whatever you will save in SAP, the data will be saved in tables. So each and every concept will be having a table. So if you want to know header data, you need to go to the header data table only. If you want to retrieve item data, you need to go to the retrieve data only, right? For example, you went to the hospital. So you want to visit general surgeon. Then what you will do, you will go to the general surgeon office, right? So his room, right? So whatever our requirement is there, so we need to go to the particular topic and particular table and we need to take the data. That's it. Okay, so in SAP, the data will be saved in a table wise. Okay, so these are all the tables. So all the data you can retrieve by using these tables. Okay, in the customer master also we have discussed. In the material master also we have discussed about tables, right? So each and every concept will be having tables and you can go to the table and you can retrieve it. Okay. So the tomorrow we'll see the document type. So till now we have seen the structure of the sales document and also we have created order delivery invoices and also we have posted the stock. right? And the next class we'll see sales documents. Okay. So I have told you total we are having 19 document types. So we'll see what are all those 19 document type and what are all the scenarios and what are the key codes we are having. So I will explain all this in the next class.